Hey, what's going on everyone? Thank you for tuning into the channel. I wanted to make another video addition to the Raptor ownership series that I'm trying to build on the channel and hopefully provide some useful and helpful content that you find relevant. If you do find this content relevant, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's the holiday season. I could really appreciate an extra subscribe. I anticipate this video getting somewhere between 75 and 100 views. If some of that could translate into subscribes, that would be awesome. So the idea of this video is to talk about the 5 secret features that most people that own a Raptor F-150 or Super Duty or even the Expedition aren't aware of that you can unlock using a secret tool known as Forscan. I guess before I can go into the list of the 5 secret features, it's probably important to explain what Forscan is for those of you who don't know. Forscan is a command interface tool, which is a native Windows application. It acts as a software scanner to adjust various settings on your onboard computer inside your truck or SUV. It's actually applicable to Mazdas, Lincolns, and Mercury vehicles, so it's not just a Ford-specific tool. It's something that you can install on a Windows device, hook up to your car, and then adjust settings on any of those manufactured vehicles under the Ford umbrella. Item number 1 on the list is the Lincoln Entry Exit Mode. It's basically a feature that allows you to automatically power fold and unfold your mirrors with the lock and unlock function. It's a cool little nifty feature to have. It was actually in the Expedition, but unfortunately in the Raptors and the F-150s, Ford doesn't offer that. As you can see here, on the unlock, it folds those mirrors open, and on the lock, it puts them back into the folded position. And that's a cool little feature to have, especially because of the Raptor having such a wide stance and you're in narrow parking spaces. It's a nice have to just be able to not remember to do that. It kind of does it for you. Item number 2 is definitely high on my list of secret features that I was able to unlock using Forscan. How many times have you been in the truck and it's running and you get your keys and you grab out to go get something from the back of the truck bed or even get something from the back seat and the horn beeps twice, letting everyone know that the key fob has left the vehicle? I definitely don't recommend adjusting this setting if you're somebody that's going to forget and leave your vehicle on, but with the key fob in hand, let's step out of the vehicle and see if that horn sounds. Walking away, as you can see, no horn noise whatsoever. Item number 3 in my list of features to unlock with Forscan is actually a thing called shift lock. And what that is let's say you have the keys outside of the vehicle right now and somebody goes in and breaks in while the car is running. You have the key fob on you and you left the vehicle running. I'm going to put the key fob right down on the ground here. As you can see, that's a safe distance away from the truck. It's not going to be something that the truck recognizes. And now if we go inside of the truck while the truck is running, this isn't remote start running, by the way. So as you can see, no key fob detected. This is not remote start. This is a regular vehicle in operation mode. Off to the side over here, you can see on the ground over there is my regular key fob. So with the vehicle in the on position and the key not in the vehicle, I can't manage to actually shift the shifter. It's in full lock mode. I'd actually have to break it to be able to shift out of it. Every time I try to actually shift it, it's going to say that there's no key detected and actually not allow me to shift the vehicle without the key present in the vehicle. I think this is a tremendous security setting. I'm not really sure why Ford didn't put it in the vehicle from the factory, but it's a cool little bonus that couples with item 2 on the list. Now that we're back inside the vehicle, I thought I'd go over item number 4 on my list of secret features to unlock using Forscan, and that is the simple thing of the one-touch turn signal is set to 3. You can actually change that setting to be able to adjust to 5 turn signals on the single touch. I forgot to actually hit save on the Forscan option, so mine's still stuck at 3. I'll do that the next time Forscan is hooked up, but for now, just so you know, you can adjust it from 3 to 5 using Forscan. My Kia Niro actually in the menu settings allows me to adjust that from 3, 5, and 7 as options, but the Ford doesn't let you do that unless you go into Forscan and change it from 3 to 5. I'm not somebody that weaves in and out of traffic, and if you aren't either, then 3 is probably not enough to be able to make a lane change the way you do, but 5 is definitely a good number to have. Item number 5 on my list of features to unlock using Forscan doesn't actually apply to the Raptor, but it does for all you Super Duty and F-150 owners out there, as well as people that own the Expedition, and that is something referred to as the Bambi Mod. What that is from the factory, there are 2 bulbs that separate the low beam and the high beam. So on a factory F-150 or Super Duty, you're going to end up having to be able to only pick between high beams or fog lights. The fog lights provide a good short-range light coverage as well as off-axis coverage, while the high beam is definitely for more longer projected range. The reason why Ford does this is because they have 2 separate bulbs for high beam and low beam. Some states require that you can only have a maximum of 4 forward-facing white lights on any vehicle, and that means that if Ford turns on your high beams, then they have to disengage with the fog lights to be able to match that 4 count. So if this is something that concerns you and it's a law applicable in your state, you may not want to be enabling Bambi Mod, but if something that doesn't really bother you and you feel the situation is safe, then I definitely like having all 6 lights being on in the front. If I had an F-150 or when I had the Expedition, I had done it to that as well. So using Forscan, you can actually have your fog lights and high beams run at the same time, which is a really, really good feature to have, in my opinion, from a safety perspective. If there's no oncoming traffic, if you don't have anybody directly in front of you, it's a nice thing to be able to just hit those high beams and have the fog lights stay on to provide that short range coverage, as well as the high beams do the long range coverage projection for you. And while I'm here, I thought I'd just preface my next video coming up, which is going to be a full breakdown of these fog lights and why I think they're the absolute best fog lights for the Ford F-150 Raptor. So there you have it, guys. This is a full walkthrough of the 5 secret features that you can unlock with the Forscan tool on your Ford F-150 Raptor or Super Duty. If you have one of these trucks or SUVs, then it's definitely a cool thing to be able to do. As always, thanks for tuning in. If you found this content helpful and relevant, definitely hit that subscribe button and check out the other videos on the channel. It's slowly growing. I've only been doing this for about 2 months, and I know I'm not great at it, but I promise you over time I'll get better. Hopefully you guys want to jump in and join along for the ride. If you want to, definitely hit that subscribe button. Thanks again. Bye.